Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial passport. But what if I told you improving it doesn't have to feel like rocket science? Stick around because I'll reveal 7 practical hacks to boost your credit score. No boring jargon, just real, actionable tips you can use today. Let's start with the easiest win, paying your bills on time. Miss just one payment? It can lower your score by up to 100 points. Don't let that happen. Set reminders or automate payments to stay ahead. Did you know maxing out your credit card is like shouting to lenders, "I'm risky"? Use less than 30% of your credit limit for a healthier score. Think of it like leaving space on your plate at a buffet, it just looks better. Thinking about closing that old credit card? Hold up. Older accounts build your credit history, which lenders love. Instead of closing them, use them occasionally for small purchases, like that coffee you can't live without. Here's a hidden gem: mistakes on your credit report could be dragging your score down. Check it. If something doesn't add up, dispute it. It's free and could bump your score in weeks. Applying for too much credit at once? It's like speed dating lenders, they'll think you are desperate. Space out applications, and don't apply unless you really need it. Credit cards, car loans, home loans, lenders like variety. It's like showing you can manage different responsibilities. But don't overdo it, balance is key. Here's the truth: building a strong credit score takes time. Be consistent, avoid quick fixes, and let your good habits do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you. So, which hack will you start with today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-life finance tips, because your financial freedom starts here.